Teacher.
Very good. High five. Tell me, what is your name?
My name Moon.
Moon, where are you from?
Vietnam.
Very good. How old are you?
2.
Good job. How are you feeling today?
Happy.
Very good. Give me a high five. Now tell me, is it raining outside?
No.
No. Is it snowy?
No.
It's?
Cloudy.
Is it cloudy?
No.
No. It's?
Sunny.
Sunny. Very good. Moonlight, moonlight, what do you see? What do you see?
I see sunny.
Very good. High five. Okay, let's sit down properly. Let's sit down. Okay. Are you ready? Yes.
I am.
Very good. Now look here. Oh, we have 2 sounds to learn. What sound is that? What sound is that? Is that T or E?
No.
What sound is it?
E.
E. Very good. What do you call it? What's that? Ink. Very good. What's that?
Insect.
Insect. Good job. What about the next one?
Picture.
Very good. What sound is that? What sound is that? Is it E? No. What sound is it? Very good. What is that?
Train.
Train. What does the train, how does the train sound like? Train, train. Very good. What about this one? What's that?
Cherry.
Very good. Next.
Toy.
Toys. Good job. Next.
Teddy.
Very good. Now let's put our hands up. Hands down. Hold your arms. And clap your hands. Very good. Thank you. Say bye-bye.